Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my mother's kitchen. Today, we are going to be making some delicious calamari and chips. Yum, because that's what we got in the fridge. So we're making calamari and chips. So we're going to start with the chips, then move on to the calamari. If you would like to know how to just make the calamari, skip ahead. If I've figured out how to put a timestamp somewhere, go for it. Maybe I'll put a timestamp down in the link down there in the description below. But anyway, we're gonna get started with the chips. So what you need for chips is potatoes, some olive oil, and some potato spice. We've got this potato spice, this one, Ina Palmans, not sponsored. Okay, so let's get to chopping up some potatoes. So we've got our spuddies here, which have been parboiled, which means that they have been cooked for just a little bit so that it takes less time to cook them in the oven. We are going to cut them into wedges. Goodness me, I'm not focused. I'm going to slice my own fingers off. This is what we all want. It's not at all. Right, and shoving them in a pan, which is off to the side there. So we're just going to chop all of those up into wedges. All right, cool. Add our potato smash to our potatoes. Ow, ow, pinched myself. Drizzle that nice olive oil. Whip, 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 whip. All right, and now you take your potatoes, you throw them in the oven at 220 degrees Celsius and let them do their thing until they are nice gold brown crunchy. Yum. Okay, time for the calamari. What we've got is seasoned flour. What I have seasoned my flour with is some pepper, salt, and paprika. I have then separated it into 2 bowls so that you can put calamari in flour, put it in egg, put it in flour, fry it. Okay, that's how we do. Easy. Let's get to doing that. Okay, we've got a nice little production line going on here. We've got calamari, flour, egg, flour, board for it to go on. So let's see if we can get a better shot of this. Lower the camera. Yeah, like that. Oops, too far. All right, that's a good angle. I like it. Cannot see what I'm filming. Oh, very ugly close-up of my face. Cool. Okay, so we're heating up our oil and we're gonna get started on the production line of making these things. So, coat it in there. Nice and coated. Put it in the egg. Nice and coated. Put it in there. Nice and coated. Boom. And it's ready to be fried. So let's do a few more. You can see the pooch in my pocket there, my phone. Okay, I haven't done, okay, hold on. Maybe time to change the exposure. The oil is hot, and there's my mother, isn't she beautiful? And so I've not coated all of the calamari, just some of it because the oil is hot, so we're gonna get frying. And yeah, let's do it. Oh, this is spooky. I'm gonna burn myself. I'm gonna put my sleeves down. Little piece first. This one, just one. Oh, well that was anticlimactic. The oil is not hot enough. Back to coating. Dangerously close to the hot oil. Okay, so now our oil is hot enough, so we're gonna start frying up some calamari. Delicious, so good. So exciting. Time to check on the chips. The chips weren't cooked, so my mum is improvising. She's frying them in the same oil. Nothing wrong with that, but we're making it work. Make it work, designers. And watch my mum fry up some potatoes.
Wow.
Glaring at the camera. Oh, Mum. You see, she's really the brains behind the operation. I just cook things sometimes. And there you have it. Delicious. I was going to say macaroni and chips, not macaroni. Calamari and chips. Yum! And we've just served it up with some mayo and lemons. Let's give them a taste, shall we? Dip it in there. I've already tasted them. They're so good. Yum. So that's that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me in this channel, then please subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.